Morning, children. Let's look at the flowers in our garden. Look at this one. It's a dark pink flower. A dark pink flower with and look at the leaf. So this is our first flower. Let's go around looking for more. And look at this little flower. What color is it? Purple, yes. And look at the leaf. See, a stem. And then you get the flower. Purple flower. That's number 2. Look at this teeny tiny flower. And what color is that? White. That's number 3. And what about this flower? What color is it?
Yellow.
It's orange, isn't it? Yellowish orange or pinkish orange. It's a beautiful color, like a salmon color, orangish. So that's number what? 4. And look at this beautiful bunch of pink flowers.
I found another flower.
Oh, okay. Wow, you found a red flower. We'll look at this pink one first. So this is number 5, and we saw an insect drinking nectar from it. So that's our 5th flower in the school, and it's a pink flower. And here's the little red flower you talked about. It's very pretty. It's a beautiful, bright red, a reddish orange flower. So that's number what? 6. That's the 6th flower we spotted
That's
in
red.
our school. Yes, it's red. Here we found another one. And what color is this flower?
Yeah, orange.
Orange, yes. And so that's number 7. That's the 7th flower we spotted in our garden at Living Tree. Look at this sunshiny yellow flower. And there are little insects trying to drink its nectar. So this one is number 8, the 8th flower that we spotted.
That is yellow.
It's yellow, beautiful yellow. And here we have number 8. It's a leafy flower. Yes, it's a tree. So that's white. So that's number 8 at Living Tree. 8th flower in bloom. And here is our gardenia tree. Let's look whether there are any flowers on the gardenia tree. I can't see anything, but there is a tiny bud. A flower is going to soon bloom, maybe next week. So up to now we have seen 8 flowers. Let's go and look for more. And here is number 9. It's a tiny little red flower. And this is at the bottom, but I can't see the top. There's a whole lot. There is. Can you see that? This tree's got red flowers. And last we have some Amberella leaf flowers. They're teeny tiny flowers. So we'll take that as number 10. But they are fruiting flowers, see? There's a bunch of Amberella. So how many flowers did we spot around the school? We had around 10 flowers blooming. And our last flower, our 11th flower, it's a beautiful violet, like light purple flower. And that's our 11th flower at Living Tree. So hope you enjoyed this, children. Bye.